Why is that Apple, Alphabet, Amazon, and Microsoft are the most successful companies in the world? Apple grew by 200% in the last 5 years. Alphabet grew by 250%. Amazon grew by 300%. And Microsoft grew by 3400%. There are three common traits in all these companies that their success formula. They have been able to provide best value to the customer with respect to the price that the customers have paid. They have also been able to provide the best return on investment. Any investment customers made, they have provided them returns which are like far more than a customer could think of. They have also been able to provide a sustainable growth. So it's not that they have provided a growth which is only related to a certain year. It's been a consistent, sustainable growth that they have provided to their. To see if we were to do some in-depth analysis of how this has happened, it is mainly because of the basic supply chain techniques that successful companies use. We have always put customers as number one in every strategy that they have developed. They internalized customer as number one, as their success mantra. Second is like they have always been able to have a successful inventory management. What it means is that they have been able to provide products with the right price, with the right quantity, right quality, whenever and wherever it is required. So inventory management is something that they all cherish. They have been able to successfully outsource their manufacturing facilities. Rather than manufacturing everything in-house, they focused on the core expertise that they have in-house and outsourced everything to reputable manufacturers who could do on a consistent basis. And lastly, they've always put customers' demand at the forefront. So it's not about their strategies, but what customer demands are, and they've constantly been able to shift their manufacturing or supply chain strategies based on customers' demand.